Okay, so how do you import a bunch of projects that you haven't backed up with the DaVinci back into DaVinci Resolve? This is going to be a very quick and dirty way of doing things. So you want to go to DaVinci Resolve first of all. Let's add a project library. Let's call it C. We're going to browse to a folder I've already made in my documents. It is called Resolve folder. I like to use today's date just in case the backup doesn't work. Select that folder, press create, done. Now if we go back to that folder, you'll see that Resolve has made all these bunch of subfolders, and what we want to do is get into the user folder and to replace the guest folder with the guest folder of the projects you want to restore with. So literally go back to Resolve, switch to another database because this won't work if you're in the current database. Copy the guest folder over to the new guest folder, replace all the files, and what it will do is auto populate with all the stuff that you want. Go back to your DaVinci Resolve, select the project, and bang, it's all there. It's very simple, very straightforward. I don't know why it seems so difficult to find this on the internet, so hopefully that helps you Zig in the future and anyone else. Thanks very much.